Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set the home screen and the lock screen wallpaper. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option wallpaper. So here you can see all the wallpapers that you already set on your device. You can see here. So in case if you want to add a new wallpaper, tap on the option add new wallpaper. So here you can see all the wallpapers you can see here. In case if you want to set a wallpaper from your device, now tap on the option photos on the top left side and it will directly open your gallery, and from the gallery you can select the photo. So simply here I am going to set this one. Okay, now tap on the option add on the top right side. You can see set as wallpaper pair, and otherwise you can customize the home screen. So if you set and tap on the option set as wallpaper pair, now you can see this is the lock screen and this is the home screen, and the home screen wallpaper is blurred. So if you want to change this one, tap on the option customize this one. Now tap on the option blur, disable this option, tap on done. Now you can see the current wallpaper. You can see this is the one. If you go to the home screen and if you go to the lock screen, you can see. So simply in this way we can change the home screen and the lock screen wallpaper. So in case if we want to set the different wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen, simply I am going to tap on the option add a new wallpaper. So here I am going to set a wallpaper, this one. Tap on add on the top right side. Okay, you can tap on the option set as wallpaper pair. Otherwise if you want to set another wallpaper for the home screen, tap on the option customize home screen. Okay, now I am going to, you can select the color, gradient, photo. These are the three options. Otherwise you can go with the lock screen pair. So simply here I am going to select the option color. Otherwise you can select the option gradient. Otherwise tap on the option photo. So from your gallery you can select the photo that you want to set as your wallpaper. I'm going to select this one. Tap on done on the top right side. Tap on done. Now you can see this is the wallpaper. This is for the lock screen and this is for the home screen. So let me show you. This is, you can see this is the home screen. If we go to lock screen, this is the lock screen. So simply in this way we can set the home screen and the lock screen wallpaper on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.